Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get plastic in Astroneer. This is especially useful for crafting more advanced items like is the medium resource canister or the medium fluid soil canister and many more. So to begin, first of all we'll need to have a chemistry lab which can be found inside of the research tab on the medium printer side, and in the first row just scroll a little bit to the right. Here you'll find the chemistry lab, unlock it and craft it. And secondly, we'll need some materials. Here you can find the recipe on the second position inside of the chemistry lab, and you can see we'll need carbon and compound. Compound can be found on every planet on the surface as these kind of dots, these kind of balls, and carbon can be made from smelting it inside of a furnace from some organic. You smelt organic and you get carbon from it. These are the two only materials you need, and to make the plastic just click on the screen button with the items placed on in these slots and wait a while, and this is going to give us the plastic. So as you can see, this is how you get plastic. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.